Never say no auto, we say yes!
Take a ride in the 2016 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, power brakes, Bluetooth, airbags, driver, knee, cruise control, child safety locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Come see us at Never Say No Auto in Springfield on Glenstone across from Evangel, or in Bolivar, 1 block south of Walmart.
Never say no